I couldn't tell what I felt. I was unrecognizable to myself. Saw my reflection in the window and didn't know my own face. Oh brother, are you gonna leave me wasting away on the streets of Philadelphia? Avenue till my legs felt like stone. Voices of friends vanished and gone. At night I hear the blood in my veins, just as black and whispering as the rain. The streets of Philadelphia. Ain't no angel gonna greet me. It's just you and I, my friend. My clothes don't fit me no more. I walk 1,000 miles just to slip this skin. Night is falling, I'm lying awake. I can feel myself fading away. So receive me, brother, with your faithless kiss. Or will we leave each other alone like this on the streets of Philadelphia?
Follow the Moskwa down to Gonky Park, listening to the wind of change. An August summer night, soldiers passing by, listening to the wind of change. Closing in. Did you ever think that we could be so close, like brothers?